Oh man, I am so hungry, but I just haven't got the time to cook a big meal. What can I do?
Aha! I have got the solution.
Whoa!
Check this out.
Wow. So, we did a thing.
We did indeed.
We thought we'd jump on the hype and basically buy an air fryer because so many people are really hyping these things up, and me and Maria wanted to see what the fuss was all about.
Mm-hmm.
So
we went and got a Ninja Foodi Max.
Yeah, so this is the, I think the technical name is the AF400.
Yeah, also known as the Dual Zone 9.5 litre air fryer.
Comes with cooking programs, a recipe guide, and it's got 2 compartments to cook your food in, but we can go into all the details in a moment. So
I'm so excited.
Right, so let's open it up.
Let's do it. Okay.
This is the quick start guide and instructions.
Okay.
Cooking charts and instructions.
No problem.
Get that rubbish to the side too.
A lot of cardboard.
Okay, yeah, it was the right way up.
Right way up.
Good.
Okay.
Man, this thing is big.
That's what she said.
I have no idea where we're going to store this when we're not using it. Thank you. So a lot of cardboard, a lot of paper. I'll do the honours of peeling off the sticky stickers at the...
Sticky stick.
You can...
We'll do it together.
Yeah, we'll do it together. Wow. You love this part, don't you?
Yes.
So yeah, as you can see, it's quite big.
It's very big, much bigger than I thought it was
Yeah.
going to be.
Right, that's all the stickers off. So, nothing else in the box?
Nine.
Nine?
9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9.
No, not in the box.
So yeah, so in the box you get obviously the air fryer, you get the warranty card thing, the instructions, and the quick start guide, which I believe has cooking charts and recipes. Yeah, lots of recipes, but perhaps we'll go through that in a bit later. So it's 9.5 litre capacity. So 2 different compartments. Both the same size, fairly deep sizes, and
They are massive.
they're metallic, and I think they are dishwasher safe. So
They are dishwasher safe. That was one of the reasons why we went for this one. There were some other ones we were comparing and stuff. We watched a lot of videos on what's best. Something that the other ones lost points for was the fact that they weren't dishwasher safe. And also the capacity was a lot smaller. Some of them only had 1 compartment.
Yeah.
And also the brand itself.
Yeah, I mean we've got a Ninja blender, and I think I've had that for over 10 years now, maybe even longer, and it's still very strong.
Yeah.
So Ninja's a very good brand in my opinion. So I guess we'll get down to the nitty gritty. So we're gonna what dinner are we gonna cook in this?
We are going to review this properly. So we are going to make
chicken
drumsticks. Drumsticks, yes, crispy chicken drumsticks. Chucking some potatoes in there.
Maybe, we'll see.
Let's just chuck some potatoes in there.
Yeah, why not?
Give it a good old whirl.
Push it to the limit.
Yes, so we are going to plug this baby in. We're gonna play around with the settings a little bit. I'm gonna zoom in a little so you can see what we're doing. We're gonna sort of rate it based on a few things. So how easy it is to operate, to figure it out. The cooking, obviously, if it's even, if it's burnt on the edges and stuff like that.
Obviously, taste test. So yeah, 4 things we're going to mark it on. So the time it takes to cook it, the taste, the evenness of the cooking, and the how easy it is to use as a product.
And there's one more thing I'm very curious to the bone of, if there will be sort of that. I don't know if you've ever used an oven for the first time. That chemical sort of factory kind of smell they need to get rid of. Yeah, we're gonna give it a we're gonna give it a quick clean because I don't want to use it before it's been washed. Residue of chemicals in there, don't want that in our food, do we?
No.
So we'll do that, we'll prep some food and we'll come back and show you
What we're putting in.
it.
So we've got our food. We've done some like herby, done some herby potatoes, which we're going to put in there, and then we've also done a chicken drumstick. There's like a kilo of chicken drumsticks here, and Maria found a nice recipe to season them with, and they're
Well,
meant to
it
come
sounds
out crisp.
nice, we're going to hope it's actually nice.
What was the seasoning? It was like garlic and
Garlic, onion,
paprika. But yeah,
stuff like that.
should be good. So
If it's good, we can always come back and do another video on some recipes.
we certainly can. Air fry, homemade chips. Oh my god. 1 centimetre. I don't know how thick they are. Oh, okay. It says to toss your food regularly. So, it says homemade chips, 500. Do we know how much food we've got there?
10 hours later.
So I just had a look at the booklet that comes with the air fryer, and basically it says that 500 grams of home-cooked or homemade chips takes 20 minutes at 200 degrees, and I think a kilo of chicken drumsticks is 30 minutes at 200 degrees. So basically we're going to have a try at doing the dual zone technology system, so that basically you can cook 2 different foods and they come out done at the same time. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. So you need to set the first tray first, I believe. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the chicken in. I'm going to have to wash my hands after this. I really hope this is going to work. The chicken is going in. Smells good. Right, so let me just put that in and then wash my hands. So that's the chicken in. So we need to set up the first tray first before we put the other food in. So kilo of chicken drumsticks, 200 degrees. Sorry, time I believe set first. Okay, what have I done wrong?
You need to set the mode first, I reckon.
Ah, yes. Okay. Air fry. 200 degrees. Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. So now I'm going to put the potatoes in. And it says you can take them out regularly and basically toss them, shake them about. So now I'm going to turn it on, which I've already done already. Right, zone
It's
1.
very loud.
Zone 1 remains illuminated. So desired cooking function style. Okay, so we want to air fry, so it's on air fry. Then use the temp arrows to set the temperature. So temp set 200. Then use the time arrows to set the time. 20 minutes, so no, it's 30 minutes for the chicken. Select zone 2. Okay, I'm slowly getting the hang of it. Again, same thing, air fry mode, and that was 200 degrees, and that was 20 minutes. Okay, so then to do the sync, so they both come out at the same time, you then press sync, and then press the dial to begin cooking. So basically what that'll do is, the chicken will cook, because the chicken's at 30 minutes and this is at 20 minutes, the chicken will cook for 10 minutes and then the fries will then start cooking. That is that. Now we play the waiting game. So the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1, finish. So, let's have a look. There's the chicken. Oh, you're going to be able to see it on there. That crispy homemade potatoes. Don't know how well you can see that, but they're very crispy. and hot, and barely any oil. Chicken, again, I don't know if you can really see that, but looks very crispy and tasty. So we'll dish it up and then we'll give you our verdict on taste and that kind of thing. So we are done. I've just had a potato because I couldn't wait. We said we were going to test a few things. We'll start with taste. So let's have a bit of chicken. And this is really crispy on the outside. It's definitely cooked on the inside, which is good because no one wants to get salmonella. Very moist and succulent on the inside, and still this very crispy skin. Alright, let's try a potato, see how crispy they are.
Oh, garlic dip would be nice.
So garlic dip would be nice, but in terms of taste and crispiness, the potatoes are pretty spot on. The only thing I would say is the seasoning could be better. I mean, but all we did was salt, pepper, and a bit of rosemary. Like, we could have done better, but that's not the fault of the air fryer. But yeah, really crispy, really tasty.
Still soft on the inside.
Yeah, still fluffy. The nice crisp outer shell, and yeah, for 20 minutes. That's really cool. That's really, really good. The taste.
It's nice that they were ready at the same time.
Yeah, the whole, dual zone, the fact that they're ready at the same time was definitely really, really good. So in terms of taste, what would you give it? What would you give the chicken?
Am I rating the flavour as well, or just the...
Everything.
I think personally I would have preferred it a bit more crispy, battered kind of chicken.
Well, the whole point of the air fryer is meant to be healthy.
I know. Probably give it a 4.5.
I'd probably give it the same, to be fair. Like, I kind of agree with you. I think it's definitely... I don't think it's the fault of the air fryer.
No,
I think it's
the
just the recipe. I think there's something a bit lacking, but
yeah.
It is really good. I mean, I don't really eat chicken drumsticks. It's not something that I'd have as like my go-to like dinner meal. But 100% would eat these. Now we've got the air fryer. Like, that was so easy to do, so quick. I'd probably give it a 4.5 for taste as well.
Yeah. In
terms of evenness, I mean, I was shaking the trays every 5 minutes to kind of get it all moving around so it's balanced. And overall, I'd say it's come out quite well. There's like an even crisp to all of the.
Yeah, there's nothing burnt.
No, nothing burnt.
And everything else.
Yeah. In terms of balance, I might even give it maybe a 5 or a 4.5 again.
Yeah.
I can't find any issues with this dish that we've cooked. So the last thing I think was the kind of the ease of use of the air fryer. Now, when I was trying to get it working, like trying to just wing it, it was quite difficult.
You can't.
You can't wing it. You really can't. I had to look at the instructions. But when you've got the instructions, it's a piece of cake. It's literally you put your ingredients in, and then once you've got the ingredients in, you set the temperature and the time. And with this air fryer, the Ninja 9.5 Max, it comes with a little recipe booklet which has loads of different recipes and how long to cook them for, what temperature. So as long as you've got that, it makes the whole cooking process a lot easier. So literally, I just looked up chicken drumsticks, looked up homemade potatoes, homemade chips, done, easy. They were both 200 degrees, the chicken was 30 minutes, and the chips were 20 minutes. And then all you do is just press the sync button, done.
And it also helps that on the side here, it's got a couple of the so-called frequently used cooked things in there with like how many, what quantity and what temperatures for how long. But that's quite handy. Yeah, so it gets a little bit hot.
It does get a little bit hot. I actually had a feel of it when it was cooking, and it does get a little warm to touch. Like, you wouldn't want to hold your hand on it for constantly, but it's not. If you touch it, you're not going to burn yourself, but it is warm. But yeah, so basically dinner was cooked in 30 minutes, and I would probably say that if we were to cook this in the oven,
I would take a lot
easily over an hour, especially for the potatoes, because you know you have to preheat the oven,
yeah,
all that kind of thing. But for a first use, I think that went really well.
really good.
I'm looking forward to doing some new recipes.
Yeah, I've got my eyes on some dessert recipes as well.
Yeah. So we got some dessert recipes, and we've also got some little appetizers. I mean, we were going to do these cheesy bites, but
Yeah, kind of
ran out of time.
Late.
Yeah, we just want to eat this food if we're honest. So we'll leave the links in the description for this particular model.
Hopefully it will still be in stock.
Well, I was just going to say, I'll put also a link to the website called Stock Informer. So if you are looking to buy this particular model, just go on Stock Informer, you put in what product you're looking for, and then they can send you push notifications when it comes in stock. So I definitely recommend that. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. And now we've got the air fryer, maybe we'll do some more recipes and whatnot in the future.
Excited for that?
Yeah, thanks for watching. And now we're going to go and eat this because we're hungry.
Yes, very hungry. See you later.
Bye.